morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday, TGIF. Last night was super comfort food. Tomato basil bisque with good old yummy old-fashioned grilled cheese sandwiches. Yeah. Nothing special about the grilled cheese other than I used a brioche style bread, but good old American sliced cheeses, and good old butter. Yeah. The bisque I've done several times, but it's one of my favorites, and it goes so well with the grilled cheese. Tonight, I'm doing a stir fry. Surprise! I've had this one kicking around the queue for a little while. I kept on presenting it to Robin, but she kept on kicking it back. So I'm going to do it. This is an Asian-inspired, I'll leave it at that, beef and onion stir fry. Let's get right to it. Got the hardware out. Robin's actually coming by to get some of the bisque, so that's why that's out. But the hardware, simple, because this is stir fries being served over rice, so there's my crockery for the rice and a Dutch oven for the stir fry. Actually, I should probably switch this out and do it in the wok. Yeah, there we go. I want it on my second cup of coffee. Using elk, this is round steak, onions, of course, garlic, ginger, and being a stir fry, these are usually incorporated in the sauce, the sauce is soy sauce, oyster sauce, and hoisin sauce. This is a tablespoon of cornstarch or corn flour, as they say in the UK, and a little bit of sugar. Yeah, but that's on taste preferences. The dried chives is for garnish. Of course, I'm using long grain white rice and a little bit of pumice olive oil for the wok. Yes, I will switch to the wok. But this is a very simple dish, but should be very flavorful. So what's on your menu on this Friday? Your dinner menu, that is. Okay, on this day, on this Friday, this TGIF, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.